Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple game of level 1 games called Hungry Cat. So, this is what Hungry Cat is. It's a cat and it's supposed to eat all the balloons or whatever item. So, to get started on this game, create a fresh new project. Then, you can rename the cat into something. Because mine is right now Sprite 1. I'm just going to rename it Cat. Now, we need a when the green flag is clicked block. Then, we're going to need a control block that is a forever loop. Then, go to the motion section, get a move 10 steps block, and then change that to 4 steps. Then, get a point towards mouse pointer block. So now it's now following us. And then we're gonna set up the food the cat is gonna eat. I'll just choose bananas. Then get to the events block, get a when green flag is clicked, and get a forever loop and an if-then condition. Then go to sensing, get a F touching cat block or F touching mouse pointer, and just change it to cat. So if the banana is touching cat, go to looks and get the hide block. So then it goes hiding. So then at first it's gonna show. Then just duplicate it so you have like food for the cat. Now when you start the project and when you touch the bananas, it disappears. And that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Well, bye!